Why do 70% of home cooks struggle with grilling perfect meat kofta? Let's fix that today. First things first, let's get our ingredients lined up. You'll need ground beef or lamb, finely chopped onions, minced garlic, fresh parsley, and your favorite spices. Think cumin, coriander, and a hint of cinnamon. Mix it all up in a bowl, but don't overdo it, just until everything's combined. Now, shape your mixture into sausage-like koftas. Pro tip, wet your hands slightly to avoid sticking. Onto the grill setup. Fire up your charcoal until it's white hot and ashy. Spread the coals evenly for consistent heat. Place your koftas on skewers if you like, and lay them on the grill. Here's the fun part. Turn them every 2-3 minutes to get that beautiful char without burning. They should be juicy and cooked through in about 10-12 minutes. Serve these bad boys with a side of tzatziki sauce, pita bread, and a fresh salad. And there you have it, perfectly grilled meat kofta that'll impress any guest. So who's ready to fire up the grill? Happy grilling, folks!